the last 30 days, we have poured foundations on 3 different projects. On a half-acre lot on Nelson Drive in Vienna, and 2 3/4-acre lots on Air Hill Avenue, also in Vienna. And we have a 4th project that's going to be on a 1-acre lot over on Nineveh Street in Vienna. We're currently in the design phase on that. The lots themselves are all unique. We work together with the clients to help them find the lots that they were excited to build on. These projects have got some really interesting things that we're going to be doing. 2 of the lots are going to be solar ready. 3 of the houses we have under construction now, and in the one we have in design phase, is a secondary kitchen, which is sort of a prep kitchen adjacent to the main kitchen. Along with the outdoor entertaining and outdoor spaces, 3 of the 4 houses will have indoor golf simulators, which seems to be really popular right now. A couple of the houses are going to have really well-developed wine storage. One of the clients has us doing a kids' gym that will include a climbing wall and playhouses and basically places where kids can be kids without tearing the house up. We're really honored to be working with these clients on what promises to be really exciting projects. So stay tuned.